Let's see how Sunday usually goes. Stay with me. Listen.
On Sundays, I normally wake up a bit later than I do on weekdays.
Repeat. Listen.
It's nice not to have to rush anywhere.
Repeat. Listen.
I usually start the day slowly.
Repeat. Listen.
First, I make myself a coffee and sit down for a little while.
Repeat. Listen.
Sometimes I just scroll on my phone or enjoy the quiet.
Repeat. Listen.
After that, I might open the windows and let some fresh air in.
Repeat. Listen.
Then I look around and see what needs doing.
Repeat. Listen.
If the place is a bit messy, I do a quick tidy up.
Repeat. Listen.
I usually do some laundry as well.
Repeat. Listen.
While that's going, I might clean the kitchen or vacuum the floor.
Repeat. Listen.
Nothing too serious, just the usual things.
Repeat. Listen.
Later, I check what I've got coming up during the week.
Repeat. Listen.
I might look at my calendar or think about what needs to be done.
Repeat. Listen.
I might prepare some food or set out my clothes for work.
Repeat. Listen.
It just makes weekdays a bit easier.
Repeat. Listen.
I do not spend the whole day doing chores, though.
Repeat. Listen.
I still like to take it easy on Sundays.
Repeat. Listen.
So at some point, I usually sit down and relax.
Repeat. Listen.
I might go for a walk, watch something, or read for a bit.
Repeat. Listen.
Then in the evening, I start winding down.
Repeat. Listen.
I might have an early night if Monday looks busy.
Repeat. Listen.
It's nothing special, really.
Repeat. Listen.
Just a few small things to feel a bit more organized.
Repeat. Listen.
That's pretty much how I usually spend my Sunday.
Repeat. Great job. Practice again when you can, and I'll see you next time.